Let's get into the very important part. I've been saying that with ownership, you have exclusive rights, you have absolute rights. But I've also been adding that it is restricted. Now let's go to the restrictions or the limitations of your rights as an owner of a property. The truth is that you don't have absolute rights, else there will be anarchy. And that's just a fact. Just imagine I have the right to do whatever I want to do. It won't be a nice thing, of course. It won't be a nice thing. So one thing you should always know, even beyond property law, beyond real estate, is that you don't have absolute rights. And that's why you can do something and they will arrest you. That's because there are limitations to these rights. So now let's talk about the limitations to your right as an owner or the limitations to ownership. So there are laws guiding this limitation, and we have public laws and private laws. So public laws are simply the laws that are made for the general well-being of the society, of the country. And such law can be like the constitution, the laws guiding your state. They are known, they are everywhere. That you know that okay, you cannot do certain things, you cannot do certain things because as an owner, of course, because it will affect the well-being, the peace of the society, of the general public. While on the other hand, private laws are laws that are more specific. For instance, say the laws that are made by your community heads or your street heads, where they'll say, okay, you should at least be back by so time because of security, or okay, do not play loud music so that you don't um disturb your neighbors, or channel your water towards the right direction so that it doesn't cause flooding for another person, and those kind of little laws. Then we also have the ones made by the environmental bodies, where they tell you, okay, before you build a house, they must do thorough checks to know whether your house is standard. It is done a lot in Abuja. It is done a lot because Abuja is a really planned city, it's a really planned state. So before you're able to build, you must have a lot of permissions. They must permit you for the kind of house you should build, for the kind of amenities and the rest like that. So in a state like Abuja now, there are the environmental laws are really used, especially as it relates to building of your house. And this is just to promote peace, this is to promote safety, so that you won't hear that after 5 years the house has collapsed, or after 10 years there is flooding in that area. This is just to make sure that things are done orderly and there is safety, there is peace, and everybody is living happily. It is very necessary to know these limitations that is done or regulated by private laws, by public laws, just to protect the environment, right? Just to protect where we stay, just to protect our lives, to protect the topography of the soil, of course. These are just the basics you should know about ownership. If you wish to suggest more topics, you can put them in the comment section. Or if you wish to ask questions, you don't understand a particular concept, or you don't understand what I've said previously, please do ask your questions and I will answer each and every one of them. Don't forget that apart from property law, I'm into the sales and buying of properties. I can help you foster your real estate transactions seamlessly. I mean seamlessly. And you know, being in legal profession, it gives me an edge because I'm able to provide secure, safe, and of course, smart investment opportunities for people. Yes, for you especially. So if you wish to invest in real estate, do reach out to the contacts on your screen and I'll be willing to guide you on a real estate investment. I am the best in the industry and you should keep in touch with me. Bye for now. I'll see you on our next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to turn on your post notification, like, comment, and share this video. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.